See this guys, by just doing some micro jobs, you can see this, by just clicking on this YouTube and watch videos, you are getting paid. And just in 1 minute, in just 5 minutes, $1 you can earn. You can see this guys. Okay, and I'll show you proof that guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of jobs that are available for you to earn money. Okay, you are always saying that there are limited stock, but not here guys. You can earn as per your potential. How much money? No skill required, nothing you need to require. Just come up here and just follow along this video, and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just contributing your time, your free time to this website. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just doing some simple tasks on this website. So it's absolutely free of course guys. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket to do investment or so. It is absolutely free and will teach you how people are actually worldwide, whatever country you are belonging to, are actually earning money online from this website. Okay, so step number one, what you need to pay attention to, you can see this guys, what type of things people are doing. You can see this micro jobs they are doing. So you can see this YouTube, vote for this video. You just need to vote. Okay, just like it or subscribe it. Okay, just 1 minute and you are getting paid $0.1. Okay, follow me on Twitter and you can see this, for 1 minute you are getting paid. Insurance form, you just need to sign up, $1.5. Okay, so these are the small tasks, micro tasks that anyone can perform and can earn money online. Okay, it's absolutely free of course guys. You can see this guys, PayPal verified. And one more thing I just need to give you. So guys, whenever you see these terms and conditions, I just need to click on this and show you. Okay, you can see this guys, doing other country job that you are not from is not allowed. Okay, don't worry about it. The one thing that you need to focus on, using proxies or VPN to mask your IP. Okay, you do not need any IP address guys. If you just sign in with the different account, okay, if you just sign in with different account, I should tell you, then it would become difficult for you. Okay, just create one account with one IP address. Okay, so what you need to do guys is to first sign up as a new member. So you can see this, sign up now as a new member. So you can see this guys, what you need to fill the details. You can see this, you just need to put your name, email address, password, country, whatever country you are in. Okay, you just need to write down on the comment section at your country name. And guys, if you are facing any problem with earning money, you can write down on the comment section. I will help you, I surely help you to give you your solution so that you cannot face any problem while earning money. Okay, so what you can do guys, just come up here. You can see this, you just come up here and select your own country. So I just select mine. Okay, I'm not a robot, and just fill this name and password. So I quickly do it. So I have set up my password guys. Okay, and agree to these terms and conditions. And what you need to do is to create my account. Okay, so you can see this guys, you can see this, your account has been created. A verification email was sent to your email address. Okay, so you just need to check your email address. So I quickly show you my email address and just try to log in with this verification. So guys, you just come up here and you can see this, your activation link. Okay, so you just need to click on this activation link. Okay, so you can see this, congratulations, your account has been activated. So what I need to do right now is to, you can see this guys, you just need to first click on this, you can see this, create a new job offer. Okay, so for that what you need to do is to just enter your email address and your password. Okay, and I'm not a robot, and you just need to submit it. And you can see this guys, you can see this, currently my balance is 0. And you can see this, these are the micro jobs that you need to perform. You can see this guys. Okay, So you can see this very simple, just for pin submit any device payment very fast. Okay, so this is some Canadian work, international USA work. You can see this, sign up free and start to earn daily pocket money up to $10. You can see this. So you just need to, you can see this, the timestamp. Okay, so I just gave you a particular niche work. Okay, you can see this, guys, whatever country you are belonging to, and I just need to give here YouTube. Okay, I just need to give YouTube. Just click on this enter. Okay, you can see this, guys, YouTube. You just need to watch, like and subscribe this. Okay, you can see this, you just need to watch, live and subscribe, and you are getting paid for that. Okay, you can see proof box. What you can see this, if print screen is asked, you use this free site. Okay, so print it. So you can do the printing part as well. Okay, you can see this, you can just give the screenshot of the video that they are asking you to do. Okay, you can see this, guys. Okay, so what you can do, you can see this, what work they have given to you. You just need to open the YouTube and just search for this keyword. Okay, so just copy this thing. You can see this. Okay, I just need to post this YouTube link. Okay, so it is a random link, guys. You can see this. So what I need to do, guys, first is to just take a screenshot. Okay, is to just take a screenshot. So in order to earn money, you can see this, guys, what all details they want to ask. Watch video 100% normal speed, you can run in background. Okay, payments after checking watch time. Okay, don't try to cheat, it will be detected. Don't waste your time and my time. Okay, so these are the things that they are giving to you. Okay, like we should need to do. Okay, subscribe we need to do. The proof, you can see this proof, send us the mono snap video record. Okay, showing your subscribe and watch full, or write your user on the YouTube. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, these are the micro jobs that you need to perform. Okay, you just need to click on this subscribe button. Okay, you just need to click on this subscribe button, like it. Okay, or what you can do is to give your name. Okay, whatever your name is, you can give your name. Okay, so I just gave my name. You can see this, I just gave my name and just need to post it. Okay, it's absolutely easy, guys, what you need to do. Okay, and what they are saying that, guys, just take a screenshot. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, is to you just need to upload your screenshot here. Okay, so what you can do, if you are in the laptop, you just need to come up here and just type snipping tool. Okay, just click on this enter button. Okay, and just come up here and just again select this snipping tool, and just you can see this, just take a screenshot of this subscribe button and all. Okay, and save it. Okay, I just show you how to save it. So just save it. You can see this image. Okay, just click on this save button. Okay, and just cross it, and you just need to do what, guys, you just need to select your image. Okay, so image is this. So you can see this, it is being processing your image, and you are good to go. Okay, so you just need to, what you need to do, just copy this thing. Okay, guys, what you need to do, this link is unique. Okay, this link is unique, so you just need to copy this. Okay, and what you need to do, just paste it. Okay, so just click on this. Okay, you can see this, your job is done. Okay, so I have successfully shown you how it works, guys. Okay, so they do the payment part, okay, verification part in quite a few, and you can see this, guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of jobs that you can do. Okay, not even this this job, guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of jobs that you can see that are highly paying. Small tasks that, guys, just need to sign in. You can see this, free sign up, easy money. Just you need to give in the same fashion. If you are in the mobile phone, take a screenshot and just upload it. Okay, absolutely free of cost, guys. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket to understand these kind of things. Okay, so you can see this, guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of ways where you can perform these small tasks. tasks, and you can see this. You can withdraw your money as well. Okay, just click on this. You can see this, guys, withdraw button. Okay, so what you can do, you can see this. We only do PayPal. Don't message us for something else. Okay, so you can see you will need to fill the account here. Okay, so just click on this here button, and you can see this, guys. So what I need to do here is to add the email address. Okay, email address I just need to add. Okay, address, zip code, city. So these are some important things that you need to pay attention to, and fill these details, so that your transaction history or your money will be reverted back to your account. Okay, PayPal account. So it's absolutely free of cost, guys. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket, and you can earn money online by just doing some small tasks. So if you like these videos, guys, just need to subscribe my channel and hit the like button, so that there is always a motivation to give you the best content, and there is always a motivation to be with you guys and give you some these type of strategies that will help you to earn money. Okay, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, so that you will also give motivation. You will also give motivation to others that this video help you to earn money online. Thank you so much, guys. Till then, happy earning.